Mom, hold up the vest for me. This is my mom's birthday present from Nana. Are you kidding me?
Oh, let's not forget the Avon earrings. Where's the Avon earrings that I got?
Here.
I sell Avon, and my mommy from Goodwill gets me Avon to go with my beautiful new vest. It's an extra large, and I'm a medium.
Let me get the whole thing here. There we go. Oh, yeah.
Isn't that beautiful?
That's a cute vest.
From Goodwill.
That's a cute vest.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.